Hi, I'm Rebecca at Design and Adorn, and I want to show you the brand new Odyssey necklace. I think you guys are really going to love this. So up front, we have a double strand of unicorn teardrops, and it's interspaced with these gorgeous sparkling 6 millimeter crystal beads. And I really like the pairing of the crystal bicones with the teardrops. They just nest really nicely together. So we have our two strands there, so you get that layered look. And then for our transition, we've got some cones, and then we go into beaded Kumihimo. We love an ombre here, so we have this gorgeous color fade here. We have a little bit of an accent bead that's just sprinkled in there randomly. And then at the back, we're finishing it with magnetic end caps, and then those are hidden underneath this peyote stitch end cap cover, and that has the same little accent on the edge as our accent bead throughout the braid. Isn't that fabulous? I love wearing this necklace. In fact, I'm going to make a second one. I just made the centerpiece here. So now that this is made, I'm ready to put this onto my Kumihimo disc. So I'm going to pull my cords up here and just arrange them around the disc. Just trying to go for neat and tidy here. It doesn't matter exactly which cord goes where. I'm just trying to minimize tossing. I'll sort of tell you which cord goes where once you start pulling on them. So that's that. And then these are my beads that I'll be stringing. It's going to be this pink raspberry at the front, playing off of these crystals, and the fun pink in the teardrops. And then I'm going to have some of that fun light sky blue. That's going to be our transition color at the back. For the full demo of how to make this necklace, you can join us at the Softflex Customer Appreciation Week. That's going to be later in September. You can check our website for the exact dates. They haven't quite released the demonstration schedule yet, but I'll share that as soon as we have it.